Hi, I'm Ms. Wong. Today we're going to look at the word complement in probability. When we use the word complement in maths, we mean complement spelled with an E, not an I. Complement comes from the word complete. In probability, we sometimes use Venn diagrams. Here we have A highlighted in yellow, and here we have the complement of A, or A complement. We can see that if we added them together, it would complete the picture. Let's do some examples. If I have an event occurring, the complement of the event occurring would be the event not occurring. For example, let's say I have a dice. I could roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. That's my sample space. These are my outcomes. Let's say I want even numbers. That would be my event. Then my complement of even would be not even or odd. So even would be 2, 4, and 6, and we can see that the leftovers will form the complement of that, which is 1, 3, and 5. And we notice that the probability of even is 3 over the sample space, which is 6, or in other words, a half. And we can see that the complement of that event is also 3 over 6, and it's a half. And when we add them together, we get 1. Let's say this time I want to get numbers less than 5. Numbers less than 5. Then the complement would be numbers that are not less than 5. Numbers less than 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbers that are not less than 5 would be 5 and 6. The probability of numbers less than 5 would be 4 out of the 6 this time, or in other words, 2 over 3. And the probability of not less than 5, there's 2 there, so 2 over 6, and you can simplify that to be 1 over 3. And we notice that when we add them together, what do we get? We get 1. If I label my event as A, then the complement of A will be A dash. So this dash here means everything that's not A. And we know that the probability of A plus the probability of A dash, or complement A, would always give us 1. Let's do a couple of examples. Do notice that the probability of A plus the probability of complement of A is 1. Therefore, if I'm looking for the probability of the complement of A, then I can just do 1 minus probability of A. Example 1. If you roll a die, what is the probability of not rolling a 2? So what I can do is find the probability of rolling a 2 and then do 1 minus that. So probability of rolling a 2 is 1 out of 6, because I have 6 sides on that dice. And therefore probability of not rolling a 2 would be 1 minus that, which is 5 over 6. What about if you roll the dice twice? What is the probability of not rolling a double 6? So again, we find what is the probability of rolling a double 6, which would be, there's only 1 out of. If I roll the dice twice, there are 36 combinations, 6 times 6. So now we have 1 over 36 is the probability of rolling a double 6. The question is asking for not rolling a double 6. So we would do 1 minus that, which is 35 over 36. That's it from me today. I hope you're clear with the word complement. Don't forget that the probability of an event and its complement always adds to 1. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.